Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I will talk about what are trademarks and how you can check the trademarks. So let's get started. It's very important for you to check the title, description, and keywords of your book if it's safe and not copyrighted before you upload the book. So before I guide you on how you can check, you should know what are trademarks. A trademark is a word, phrase, or design legally registered to a company. Only the owner of the trademark is allowed to use it. If you publish a book on a trademark term, you are trying to violate the KDP and can lead to your account termination. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make when publishing, so it's best to check every single time whenever you discover a new keyword or title. So how do I check for trademarks? Let me show you the methods which I use to check. There are two websites which I use. First one is very famous, USPTO Trademark Database. Go on Google and just type USPTO Trademark Database. Visit the website, scroll down a bit and click on Search Our Trademark Database. Then now click on Basic Word Mark Search. Now select just Live and search the title or keywords you want to check. For example, I want to check for a workout planner for women, so I will just write workout planner in the search bar. See if it shows this page like no records were found, then you are good to go and can use this word. Now let's search a trademark title. Pride and Prejudice. See, it shows a list of trademarked titles which are live. And here you can see this title is live and trademarked, so if we use this title, our book and account both will be terminated. So always try to check trademarks before you upload. Let me tell you one interesting fact here. See, Pride and Prejudice is in the dead category, but Pride and Prejudice is in live. So if you use the dead one, Pride and Prejudice, it's fine, but never use any term which is live. Here is the second platform where you can check the trademarks. Just write trade merch on Google and click on this first site. Right here, Pride and Prejudice, and you will see it as live, so don't use the terms which are live. Always research before you upload the content, because it takes you days and weeks of hard work to publish a book, but a few moments to get your account terminated by Amazon. And for the bonus tip, never use the words or phrases of famous or popular brands and celebrities like Nike, Coca-Cola, Mercedes, Samsung, Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Bill Gates. I hope you found this tutorial valuable. Please hit that like button if you found it valuable, share your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.